Like rap songs, but I could have cut
What's up, guys? You're watching The Drop. I'm Kev on stage, filling in for my main man, Jay Snow.
And I'm Matthew Raymond, filling in for Cynthia Luciette.
And we're sorry it's two guys. It's not Denise, it's not Cynthia. We're sorry, guys. We know. All right, so today we're talking about the fact that Jamie Foxx is a legitimate superhero. He pulled a guy out of a burning car. Check out the video.
The truck flipped several times, causing it to burst into flames. Now, Foxx says he heard the crash and rushed outside, pulling the driver out of the burning truck just seconds before it was fully engulfed.
Interestingly enough, that guy's getting his life saved by Jamie Foxx is both the best and worst day because he was immediately arrested for a DUI. Talk about a sucky day. Jamie Foxx saves your life and you go to jail.
Yep.
Driving under the influence, folks. Uber, man. If you Uber, Jamie Foxx won't have to save your life.
I don't look at it as heroic. I just look at it like, you know, you just had to do something.
You can tell it's not his first time. Like, he's a legit hero.
Absolutely.
He was mad he was outed as a hero, as a matter of fact.
He went back to his secret lair and was like, dang it, social media. Like, I believe he's really just Hancock. He looks like he's just out here. He's Mr. Incredible, man. Like, you think Jamie Foxx is just making movies and singing? No. He's saving lives, folks. You don't get two X's in Fox if you ain't saving lives.
I think we all hope that we could do something when the time is there. But the question is do we? Do we act or do we fear our own lives? And he did not.
You know what's funny, Matt? This is actually not even the first time a celebrity has done this.
Who?
Vin Diesel, Patrick Dempsey, the dude from Grey's Anatomy, and Mark Harmon, the guy from NCIS, and Joaquin Phoenix is a celebrity who was pulled out of a burning car by another celebrity, a German director. All right, guys, we want to hear from you. If you were burning in a vehicle and any celebrity had to pull you out of it, who would you choose? Matt?
I'm going with Rihanna. Baby girl, just take me.
I want Beyonce to pull me out and then save my life and then immediately do a dance routine like, bow, bow, bow. I saved your life. What can't Beyonce do? Thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure to like this and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to All Dev Digital. I've been Kev on stage.
And I'm Matthew Raymond. We will see you tomorrow on The Drop.
Bow.